Good morning everybody, it's the 10th of July 2018 and basically just thought I'd show you one of nature's creatures that are protected, disregarding our litter laws, not caring about the environment, and being anti-recycling. Now if this was you or me who dropped a piece of litter, it's up to an £80 fine in Scarborough for dropping litter on the floor. But this seagull is going to get away scot-free. There he is. See, he's at it again. So if you're a creature of nature, you can do what you like. No borders, no passport, no checkpoints, and you can litter and do whatever you fancy and not be held to account. It's not even scared of human beings anymore. It's not scared of cars. It's got no consequences. It has no predators. And it's just become an absolute menace in the town. And this is the consequence. They've become scavengers and they've forgotten who they are. Their identity crisis is in full swing because they've forgotten the premise of what they're supposed to be. No worries, thank you very much. Photography in a public place and a public space is not a crime, and badges don't grant extra rights. Technically it's fly tipped. Don't know what to do about that.